Not long ago, I did an episode on this channel talking about how you can't wear a watch in the UK. And a lot of people told me I was making a mountain out of molehills. They told me I was over exaggerating. And, I have a huge viewership in the UK. So you guys know more than me what's going on over there, okay? And I live in LA. So I'm not trying to pretend that we have some amazing high trust society here in Los Angeles. It's terrible here. You pretty much can't wear a watch in Los Angeles either. But I found a story online that is unfortunate. It's just tragic, and it kind of is a perfect example of something that I've brought up throughout the history of my channel numerous times. And so here we go, another installment of T3 Crime Stoppers. It is 1:55 p.m. Let's get down to business. Real quick, this episode is brought to you by the Time Teller Shop, so use this coupon code and save yourself some money. Okay, so a little bit more of a serious tone for this episode because it's just incredibly unfortunate. And unfortunately, seems like we do these T3 Crime Stopper episodes more and more frequently lately. So I don't know, there's probably some social commentary there that's more relevant to another channel. But crime is getting out of hand everywhere. I see it here in Los Angeles. And I brought it up in my episode a few months ago, talking about how you pretty much can't wear a watch in the UK. Well, after I made that episode, people did tell me I was over-exaggerating. People did tell me that it's really not that bad. But then you hear stories like this. Emmanuel Odunlami, robbers killed man for fake designer watch. This is very interesting because whenever I have brought up how you have to be careful in certain areas, every time I make episodes talking about how to travel with a watch, people are like, oh, well, I always travel with fake watches, or, oh, that's why I always wear a fake when I go out. And I've always said, it doesn't matter. This guy, he was a music manager, Emmanuel Odunlami. I don't know who he is, but I guess he was celebrating his 32nd birthday in London, and 4 men came up and tried to steal his watch and then ended up killing him. If the watch was authentic, it says that it would have been worth about £125,000. Now, this article that I found from the BBC does not tell me what watch this was a replica of, but this reinforces the point that I've been trying to make all along. It doesn't matter if you're wearing a fake watch. A criminal that wants to take it from you just sees a shiny, seemingly valuable object and will do bad things to you to get it. He's not going to pull out his jeweler's loop and his reference number cheat sheet to compare all the material markings and see if the correct reference numbers are in between the lugs. Like, he's not going to do that. They're just going to say, shiny object, this means money. I'm going to hurt this person. And unfortunately, it led to them killing a person. So this is an incredibly tragic circumstance. We don't need to spend much more time on this story. It's just, I hope, bringing a point home here. If you think you're safe because you're wearing a fake watch, I mean, maybe in certain situations you might have time to talk some person down and say, oh no, it's fake, it's fake, it's fake, it's fake. But they probably won't care. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I take precautions. I think everyone else should. We have certain rights in the United States that I am very thankful for. But just be aware. Understand where you are. Understand where you're going. Maybe don't wear certain things in certain areas. And as this story has shown us, probably don't rely on the fact that your watch is fake. Because robbers and killers, they won't care. So there you have it, guys. Little quick T3 Crime Stoppers episode. Let me know what you think about this. What is the solution to this? Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'm sure that this episode will have some heated debates in the comment section, so I will see you over there. All right, guys, thank you for the support here on the channel and over at the T3 shop. I will catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it. Please be safe out there, guys.